Hi. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Fool by Cavetown. I already have a second tutorial on how to play this. It's my last video. It's just the regular chords version. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the riff. So I'm just going to be playing along with the song, and tabs will be on screen so you guys can learn how to play it. If you guys don't know how to read tabs, look up a YouTube video or something. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Ignore my red mouth. I've been drinking Kool-Aid and Monsters, so... She may be flat, but she is delicious. Also, we're gonna ignore this, but get a cute montage of this. Wait. Also, this is my tripod. Don't judge. Hey Google, shut up. Shut up. Shut up when I'm talking to you. Shut up when I'm talking to you. Okay, that was a tab. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helped you out a little bit. I've seen a lot of suggestions on people wanting me to do this one. I'm so like, okay, hi. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I know we're a long, like kind of far away from that. Still, just do it. Help me out, help my channel out. Don't forget to tell me some suggestions. I'm kind of running out of ideas on what to play because so many people are doing more guitar tutorials by the day. Like, I might do another room tour because she changed a lot. This is like my 5th one, but we doing it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.